Green day on Thursday for CF Acquisition Corporation, VI stock after gaining 1.99%, updated on March 24, 2022. The CF Acquisition Corporation, VI stock price gained 1.99% on the last trading day, Thursday, 24 March 2022, rising from $11.57 to $11.80. During the day the stock fluctuated 9.03% from a day low at $11.29 to a day high of $12.31. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.24% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 1 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 2 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $23.35 million. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $11.44 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 2.97% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $11.78 and $17.09 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals forecast. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 7, 2022. And so far it has risen 4.06%. Further rises indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The CF Acquisition Corporation, VI stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average at the same time. However, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $12.80. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $11.65. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Support. Risk stop loss. CF Acquisition Corporation, VI finds support from accumulated volume at $11.48 and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.02 between high and low, or 9.03%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.84%. Our recommended stop loss, $11.14, minus 5.61%. This stock has medium daily movements and this gives medium risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 13 days ago. Is CF Acquisition Corporation, VI stock a buy? CF Acquisition Corporation, VI holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Current score, 0.965. Insiders are negative, selling more shares than they are buying in CF Acquisition Corporation, VI. In the last 2 trades there were 700,000 shares bought and 1.13 million shares sold. The last trade was done 395 days ago by CFVI Holdings VI, LLC, who sold 1.13 million shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for CF Acquisition Corporation, via Friday, March 25, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price March 25, 2022, $11.80.